Hello guys, review tablet OPPO Pad Air. This version 4GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Okay, open box, look, completion. We have tablet, of course, and completion adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. It's all. Now talk about tablet. Tablet made of metal and plastic on this. Main camera 8 megapixels. On the front side 10.3 display. On this side dynamics port for Type-C cable. On this side power button and dynamics. We have 4 stereo dynamics. Upside we have wall buttons. Downside without controls and slot for micro SD card. This version Wi-Fi tablet version. Turn on device. We have LCD display, Full HD Plus, Android 12, Color OS 12.1 and Android 12. We'll close this. Look onto the benchmark score. We have CPU Snapdragon, Snapdragon 680, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and Adreno 610, this GPU. Results onto the benchmark, close this. Run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works on the max graphic level and works perfect. Okay, close this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.